Well, today we're announcing the launch of the National Domestic Abuse Delivery Plan, £10 million worth of investment to ensure that children and young people in Scotland get the best benefits from the expertise we have and professionals in helping them to actually survive domestic abuse and flourish in later life.
The effects of domestic abuse on children and young people can be wide-ranging and can last for a long time, and they can include things like of course being more vulnerable to homelessness, to poverty, to social exclusion. It can impact on their physical and their mental health. It can really have a massive impact on their education, because quite often their education is disrupted if they've had to up sticks and go and leave everything behind.
One of the most interesting things about this particular plan is that it's cross-government and cross-agency. A whole range of partners involved coming together to make sure that all of the children and young people do get the kind of support they need. It's very important that government and local authorities work together, so that's why it was critical that COSLA came on board with this, and there's a genuine partnership between local government and national government in ensuring that the delivery plan is delivered right across the country and does actually support young people in time of need.
The main reason I'm doing it is to make a difference to other young people, and just to let them know that there's people, the young people involved in trying to make a difference.
COSLA has worked with the Scottish Government and a range of other agencies as well to deliver this plan, along with people who are affected by domestic abuse, children and young people. And I think what's been more important is actually having their involvement in setting out what they require in services right across.
The main issues, as we put forward to the ministers, was having support workers for children that need them, for someone to talk to, also to have a child-friendly website or like text line, things like that for children. I know they do have stuff for adults. That's why a child-friendly one would be better as well.
It's really important to remember that children and young people can be incredibly resilient, and so it's really important to work with them and understand their coping strategies and their mechanisms for getting through a difficult time, and not to make assumptions about that. Things can get better for children and young people, but they do need the right support and the right help to be able to do that. That's our job.